bye-bye proprietary charger and say hello to USB-C. This is the exact reason why the Olight Arc series has won its way back into my EDC. Let's check it out. What's going on, guys? Mikey Messina here with Mikey Daily Carry, and today we're talking about Olight's all-new ArkPro. And real quick, it's called ArkPro. I know on my short, I think I said ArkFeld Pro, and I got clowned for it. So this is the ArkPro. I have the ArkPro Lite, which I'm going to be doing a review on also. Olight did send this to me for review, but as always, you guys are going to get my 100% honest thoughts and opinions. They're not paying me for this video. They simply just sent me a new light. And by the way, they put the M logo on there. Super awesome. I love it. So the ArkPro is Olight's new flat body EDC flashlight. It's kind of a hybrid between the compact work light, a utility light, and your traditional pocket light. It gives you a pure flood beam, a spot beam, and a UV mode, along with a green laser, which you actuate right here on the side. It does come with a magnetic base and USB-C charging, which I'm super stoked for, guys. Like I had stated, Olight did engrave my logo right here, which, funny enough, is actually an Olight ArkFeld that they put on here, which is my logo. For a creator, a professional, or anyone who wants a personalized touch on their gear, this is such a cool option. But features aside, let me tell you how this light actually performed in my daily carry. The ArkPro feels premium right away when you get it out of the box. You have a solid aluminum body, a clean matte finish, and most importantly, the flat design. I know that cylindrical flashlights are probably the norm in EDC, but this flat form factor is next level. In addition to it being an USB-C charging flashlight, I feel like it just won its way back because it fits perfectly in my MPU. Take a look at that. Super nice and flush fitting. This is the MPU from Tale of Knives. I'll make sure I link all of this stuff in the description of this video. Now, inside of the MPU, you get no wobble. It's not sticking out super crazy. No fighting the clip whatsoever when I'm taking it out. It legit feels like it was just built for this MPU specifically. And if you've watched my previous videos, you know that I carry this thing on the norm, jeans, shorts, jorts, whatever it is. I'm rocking this MPU clip, and the light on here is a must. It also carries very comfortable in jeans, joggers, shorts if you just want to rock this in your pockets. There's really no rolling or bulging happening with this specific flashlight, and it's super easy to grab with just one hand. Okay, modes. Let's talk about that. This is where the ArkPro really stands out. So you have your pure flood beam right there in the center. You have this toggle right here, which goes to each side to get you the different types of modes. You have a UV mode right here, and then you have your spotlight right here, and then you have your laser pointer on the side, which is just a button which you have to hold down. The flood is very clean. It really lights up a dark room with that nice flood of light. There's no harsh hotspots, no weird tint shifts or anything like that. Just a smooth, wide field light that's perfect for bag checks, gear organization, walking with the kids in the middle of the night, or even acting as an accessory light for filming B-roll for your videos. The spot beam has great throw distance. It's not overkill, it's super practical. It's perfect for checking parking lots, range gear, or nighttime backyard stuff. The UV mode, I use this quite often, and it's great for checking the validity of bills, gear cleaning, scuff checks, and even checking for bodily fluids in an Airbnb or hotel that you're about to sleep in. The green laser is perfect for driving my dog crazy and entertaining my kids. If you're a teacher of some sort, you can also use that laser to point at the whiteboard and what have you. Speaking of whiteboards, do chalkboards still exist? I don't know. The USB-C charging with magnetic charging support, finally, they bring the USB-C feature to my favorite flashlight. Now, the UI is a dial button combo. It's actually very nice. After a few minutes of use, It makes sense, quick access to everything, no confusion or double pressing things. It's really like a light for dummies. So why did the ArkPro replace every other flashlight in my rotation? Obviously because of the USB-C, but it just fits my system. It fits this, and I rock this every single day. At work, when I'm out with the kids, running errands, what have you, it fits in here perfect without having to take any pocket real estate. The versatility also is unmatched. I mean, you have your flood, spot, UV, laser. There's different modes to all of those lights. One tool has 4 different use cases. This toggle also acts as a great fidgeter. And obviously, this is a small touch on there, but it has my logo. It's personalized. It's mine. I can't sell this or give it away because I got me on here. Guys, I've used this light for 2 weeks straight and I've had no overheating issues, no annoying quirks, no I wish I had moments. It's been a great light. As always, I do keep it real with my reviews and I try to find things that I could just nitpick. And for this light, I really had to nitpick. So number one, when testing the throw on this, it's good, but if you live out in the woods and you need a further throw to really get out there, you might want to go with the Ultra model. Another thing is, I really had to think about this, but if you're a one type of light person, then this might be a little overkill for you. And lastly, if you're not used to this UI dial, which is made for dummies, and you're used to just clicks or holding the button down, then this also might not be for you. But honestly, like I had to super nitpick that, and those are not deal breakers for me. So if you want a flashlight that gives you literally everything without being bulky, without being boring, and one that even fits perfect in one of these, then this is the one for you. I do want to send a huge thank you to Olight for sending this over for a review. Again, these are my honest thoughts. I'll drop a link to this down below. If you want to check one out yourself, they're having a crazy Black Friday sale right now, and you can also customize it with your own logo and engraving. Thank you for watching. As always, carry smart and stay ready. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Walk.